What is the nature of free will? The question of whether where we have free will if our actions are determined by factors outside of control is long standing debate in philosophy and science. Some are that we have ability to make free choices independent on prior cause are sustains noun for libertarian free will. Other known as determinists believe that every event, including human action, is determined by preceding event and natural laws, meaning that free will an illusion. The field of neuroscience has added another layer to discussion with some studies suggesting that our brains may be initiate decision before the consciously aware of them, raising question about whether we truly control our action compatibilities or that free will can exist even in determined universe as long as an individual can act according to their desire and intention. The nature of free will remain one of the most debated topics in philosophy, with no consensus reached on whether humans are truly free to choose or whether their actions are governed by external factors.